Guys, welcome to today's video. So we are going to discuss today the top 5 ways to fix or corrupt drivers in Windows 10. Okay, so we will go through one by one solutions. From each solutions you will solve your issues of your Windows PC. Okay, so first solution is your update drivers from the device manager menu. So how to update the drivers from device manager menu? So we will see a step by step process. Okay, for that what you have to do is you have to open your device manager first. So I will right click on the Windows icon and first open here the device manager from here. Okay, so right click on the device manager, so you can see here the window of device manager. So I can see my window of the device manager here. So next step is you have to open your display adapters. Okay, so you can see here the display adapter options. So I can see here the display adapter, so I will expand this, and you can see here the Intel UHD graphics 630 and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 615. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to update your driver. Okay, so you have to update your inbuilt driver. This is NVIDIA, this driver is my personal PC's driver of GTX graphics card. So I will update my Intel UHD graphics driver. Okay, so first what you have to do is update, click on update driver, then I will the window will pop up like this, and you have to click on the search automatically for drivers. Okay, so after that you can see here the my best drivers for your devices are already installed. So it's showing that my best drivers are already installed, so I will not update my driver or upgrade my driver. Okay, so I will simply close this tab, and this can be your first solution to your problem. Okay, so second solution is reinstall drivers. So how to do that? So also we will go throughout these steps step by step. So what we have to do is, again we have to open the device manager. If you are getting harder to find this device manager from here, so you can just type here on the search tab, and you can search for device manager. You can see here the device manager, and I will open the device manager here. So what you have to do is you have to reinstall your drivers. Okay, so for that what we have to do is, again we have to open our display adapters, and you have to select your Intel UHD graphics 650. Then I will go to your properties. Okay, so what you have to do is go to your details. You can see here, and the events and drivers. Okay, in the drivers you can see here the options for updating driver and rollback driver, then disable device and uninstall device. Okay, so what you have to do is uninstall device. So what it will happen, then if you uninstall your device, then you have to restart your PC again, and you can see there the driver is already installed automatically. Okay, so I will not uninstall my device this time, because I have already my updated driver. So I will simply close, click on OK, and simply close this tab. So next solution is run to troubleshooter from control panel. So how to do that? First we will go towards our control panel. There I will type here the control panel option. You can see here the control panel. Then I will simply open my control panel. You can see here these all symbols. You can adjust the symbols by here, large icons and small icons. So I will simply select a large icon, so you will see here the bigger icons on your in front of your screen. Okay, so it will go easier to find your options on their control panel. So for that what we have to do is second is open the control panel app and change the view by option to large icons that we have already done, and select troubleshooting. So you can select here the troubleshooting tab. So I can see here the troubleshooting. I have to find the troubleshooting tab. You can see here this is the troubleshooting file. So I will simply double click on the troubleshooting, so it will open this like. Then after what we have to do is select view all from the select menu. So I will select here on the left side. You can see here the view all option. I will right click on the view all. You can see here the many files are opened here in the troubleshoot computer problems. Okay, so from that what we have to do is identify your problem from the list and run the troubleshooter. Okay, so what you have to do is, if you have problem if you are facing problem regarding the Bluetooth, power, printer and program compatibility troubleshooters, so you can select each one of them and you can troubleshoot them. Okay, so I will simply select one, and I will choose the process and I will see you. So what we have to do is program compatibility troubleshooter. So I will click on that. I will click on next. So it shows like detecting issues and searching for programs. So you have to wait a bit, so it will detect your problems. So it's showing that if you don't have your program, select not listen to browse to the program file. Okay, select the program you have facing problems. So I will simply select Audacity. I will click on next. So it's showing that detecting issues, and it will detect issue and it will solve and troubleshoot your problem. So it's taking time, but it will take a time upon your memory and RAM basis of your PC's configuration. So it's taking my time because I already installed my troubleshooter. Okay, so it's showing that select troubleshooting option. So I will try recommend settings. Okay, so I will click on next. I will click on next, and you can see here test the program option, and click on next. Save this setting. So it will simply open my Audacity software because I have selected for or opt for testing the program. Okay, so you can simply cancel this also. So this was another one solution for that. So I will close this tab again. So what we have to do is we have our next solution, that is virus and threat protection. So you have some inbuilt virus and threat protection in your Windows PC. Okay, so for that what we have to do is I will search here the virus and threat protection. So you can see here it's the tab in front of me, that is virus and threat protection. I will open this. So you can see here virus and threat protection. So what you have to do is simply click on quick scan, and it will scan your PC from scratch, and there are numerous files in this. You can see here that many of the files are being scanned. So you have to wait a bit for this to complete. After completion you can close this tab, so it will detect your viruses and protect them with your virus and threat protection. Well, that is the inbuilt software for your virus protection. Okay, so if you have any virus antivirus software, then you can choose that also, and you can remove virus from that also. Okay, you can take help of that external antivirus. So I will simply click on cancel because I already have virus and threat protection done, because so I will simply cancel this and close this tab. Okay, so our last option is, our last solution is update Windows OS. So for that what we have to do is step 1, that is press the Windows key and search for device installation setting. Okay, so what we have to do is you can see here you have to update your Windows. Okay, so what we have to do is we will go towards our setting first. Then you can see here the Windows update option, that is update and security. I will right click on the updates and security. You can see here the interface, that is Windows update. So I have this much updates are available in my PC, and I can uninstall all. Okay, so it's showing that it's my some of my updates are failed, but if your PC is new, then you can just select here update your PC or install now updates if updates are available. So I will simply click here the red tree because I already have my updates are installed. Okay, because some of my updates are already have not been installed. So I will simply click on updating or red tree. So it will check for my updates, and it will show if there are any updates to my PC, and I can carry forward with them. Okay, so fine guys, this was our last solution, and I hope you got your solution of your problem. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you for this video guys. Thank you.